Red light run.
Doubt that 1 in a million sounds better on screen than 1 in 10 would be. You can't fake that. This
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Waste management. You drive like garbage.
Whether metaphysical or physical, whether of occult qualities or mechanical, have no place in experimental philosophy.
Over the line!
What he wants is data.
Exclamation point. I love totally.
Where are you going, dude?
Roll out the tongue because he was flying.
Yeah, it took long enough. Yeah, run right through the stop. Good job. Country's proud of you. Toyota. You clean the snow off your car, too. Yes? Why not? Screw up at everything. Just so you know, I had to wait at that freaking light for like 5 minutes, so stop it. You be pissed too. Yeah, no stopping. Oh, look, there's a car coming here. Big, white, invisible truck, it seems like. Hello? Seriously, you gonna wait 2 seconds for me to go by? Right turn, regret. School bus. And now you're in the middle of the intersection. What are you doing? Well, not really in the middle, but they're kind of in the way of the cars that are turning. You get the idea. Stop yelling at me. I'm not crazy. Ah! Nope. Toyota turn.
So we have to think about Don Thomas and expand its equivalence, not just the regulators.
Looks like someone's making an illegal U-turn. It doesn't look like an official state vehicle. Which, by the way, if you missed this exit to Bushnell's Bays, and it's not that hard to loop around and go back there if you just take the next exit. Sheesh. Did he hit him? I guess not, but that was close.
That's good. That's a lot better pronunciation than an anus, which is how my brain...
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Oh, this is the Fulton translation. I thought this was. There's another translation that.
No, stop. Toyota turn.
Yeah, this is the low class.
No, stop. Nice cut off. I think that was red light run. Really? I have no stop. What are you doing, Screwbaroo? That's not how the right turn worked. That was red light run.
Him and then send him back to me if you really. But yeah, and elsewhere,
Red light run.
There are constant references to.
Over the line! Can you take the turn wider, please? Thank you.
Why they put it there?
On its ocean side, the shore and the surf were too rough for a landing, and the other major access channel, Boca Grande, was too
There was
shallow
no
for
stop by the
ocean going
Prius.
south. So the only way to
Stop it.
approach it is through this narrow channel called Boca Grande.
I've got documents. I mean, like, I can't put it up. I can't put
Nope.
it up door, and I can't put it
Over the
over.
line.
Although, see, I
No stop. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Forced. Yeah, something coerced, but
Yeah.
not forced.
Yeah, exactly. And the thing that the good deed that he's
You can
talking
go
about
now.
seems to be letting him.
You can
letting
go
Paul
now.
keep Onesimus because he used.
Red light, run. Red light runner.
Stop at every floor. 50-story building? Sucks for you. You don't get to press the button. There are ovens that have something called
Nice cutoff.
mode. Look at the manual of your appliances. Like throwing the chicken bodies in the gutter. They just do. It's horrible what they do. But a lot of times they donate the chicken to poor people to feed the poor. Well, if you give poor people a chicken that's full of evil,
We
do they
barely
have to
made it.
get a fresh chicken and have a whole new Capra Road ceremony.
I know that some of
And then
these.
cut the head off the chicken, and then they give.
And the year there were children.
No stop.
There was a 14-year-old.
I don't think they acknowledged there was a 14-year-old woman.
be stupid, but could one of you please explain what?
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, you can't be there. But we're not in Connecticut. We are fortunately in a better place called Rochester, New York. So you're okay, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!